The Discover section of PartnerHub is a large source of ABB news, interviews and webinars, or live events. With content updated every week, PartnerHub always offers fresh news matching your interests. Additionally, videos and events displayed in this section are tailored to your profile and preferences, so you only view the content you're interested in. To go further, the search bar still gives you access to any content of the platform. Here, videos can be watched and rewatched, liked, shared with external stakeholders via social media or email, or even saved as a favorite for a quick access. PartnerHub is also a place to attend events. To participate, select an event and click Register. From the event page, you can get more detail about the program and location, or even access documents shared by the presenters. The event remains available afterwards, so you can replay it on demand.